Did you know that some Etsy sellers make a whopping $35,000 monthly? Yes, you heard that right. Selling products on Etsy can be a profitable online business that you can do from the comfort of your home. All you need to do is be patient and give it around 5 to 6 months after you start on Etsy, and you'll notice a big increase in your sales. Today, I'm excited to share a step-by-step guide on selling one-of-a-kind products and making money online. Product search. Before I walk you through the process, here's a tip. If you're looking to increase your sales in just a few months, consider selling customized products. Here, you can see that I searched for blankets on Etsy and found thousands of listings selling blankets. Interestingly, some of the best sellers are selling customized blankets with thousands of reviews, which means a huge demand for personalized blankets. When I turned to Everbee to check these listings analysis, I sorted the listing by listing age. If you look at this listing for customized blanket, which was listed 5 months ago, let's see the estimate profit these best sellers generate. This is Everbee's Etsy calculator. Here you can check how much profit a listing makes. Enter the price for sale, shipping, discount. To get the cost of the item and shipping cost, go to Printify and search for a product similar to this listing. Click on Provider Info here. You can see the cost of the item with the available size and shipping cost. I have entered all the amounts according to this listing. Click Calculate to see the results. As you can see, it has calculated a net profit margin of 25%, which is good. They are making money from this specific listing, and hundreds of listings are from the same store. Let's go through these steps together to help you plan and create your listing. Customized blanket niche. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. In this channel, I offer various methods to make money online, and you may discover one that suits you. But if you want my honest advice, I'd recommend building something that's timeless, something that's been effective for years, still works today, and will work in future too. This is the key to ongoing stability and the financial freedom that comes with a steady income, giving you the sort of lifestyle where you don't have to stress all the time. I've put together a clear and straightforward 7-step blueprint that will guide you towards making 6 figures. Check out the description to grab your free copy. Now, resuming where I left off. If you want to find blanket niches with less competition, visit eRank. Type in custom blankets and hit enter. You will find a collection of keywords, average searches. You can also see the average price based on 100 listing analyzed by this site and the competition. Some keywords have high competition, which you shouldn't choose because it will become challenging to receive orders. So it's important to choose a keyword with low competition. This will help your product rank higher and stand out among others. I'm choosing a custom blanket with the picture, which has low competition with a good amount of average searches. Connect Etsy to Printify. To get started, head over to Printify and simply log into your account. Once there, click on the option at the left side and select Manage My Stores. Then click on Connect. Choose Etsy and click on Connect to Etsy. It will ask you to read the guidelines and click Grant Access. Your Etsy store will be connected to Printify. Now, whenever someone places a customized order for blankets on your Etsy store with the name or picture to be printed, Printify will be automatically notified and will process the order. Edit the picture. When you receive an order, you request a photo or name from the customer to be printed on the blanket. Once they provide a picture, you will need to convert it into a PNG format with transparent background. To achieve that, try using Photoshop. However, I'd like to share a free website that functions similarly to Photoshop. Head over to Photopea and click on Open from Computer. Upload the photo that the customer has provided you. I am going to take this image as an example. First, locate the toolbar on the left side of the screen to remove the background from the photo. Then, click on the Magic Wand tool. Then, click on the areas beside the face to cut it. It won't work in some places, so I will use a different tool for that. Click on the lasso shape to open a menu of Select Tools. Choose the Polygonal Lasso Select. Drag the tool to the areas you want to remove and right-click to click Inverse. Press Delete and you can see the background is removed. You can use the eraser tool to clean up the small parts that are left. To save this, go to File, then Export As and choose PNG. The photo will be saved on your computer. Creating the product. Next, you have to go to Printify to create the product. You can easily see the list of available providers. I will select the first one because it has good rating from users. Then, click Start Designing. Click on My Device and upload your photo. You can see how the photo will look on the blanket. Choose the color of the blanket, which can be personalized, and it's up to the customer. I have picked turquoise. Then, I'm turning on Create Pattern. This is how the photo is being shown as a pattern. You can choose grid, brick horizontal, or brick vertical. I'm going to select brick horizontal. You can also change the spacing either horizontally or vertically. Then, click on the Save Product button. This means you have created your product. Now, when you get an order, you will need to find their order in Other Orders. Click Edit on their order and upload this new product. Then, everything will be done by Printify, from printing the design to the blanket to shipping the order. But if you have to print a name on the blanket, go to Canva or Photopea, type in the desired name, and save it as a PNG file, while ensuring the background is transparent. Next, head over to Printify and choose your preferred provider. Click on Start Designing to get started. Choose the blanket product and upload the file. You can see the name written here. To do the same, turn on the Create Pattern option. I'm selecting the brick horizontal pattern and making slight adjustments to its horizontal spacing. Change the color of the blanket as per the customer's request. I'm picking a light blue color. Then, click Save Product. Mockup. Now, we'll make some mock-up photos of blankets that you can upload to your listing. Go to Place It by Envato and click on Sign Up. Next, navigate to the pricing section. Place It offers a single plan for $8, which includes unlimited downloads and permits commercial use. Search for blanket mockups, and you'll discover a wide array of high-quality mockups for blankets. Select a mockup you like. You can easily edit it to add your customized name or design onto a blanket. Click on Design, then choose Upload from your device. Adjust your uploaded image as needed and select Crop. In seconds, Place It will integrate your image onto the mockup, creating a realistic look without the need for time-consuming photography. You can also add graphics by the vast library of Place It. On the right, you can see your design placed on multiple mockups available on Place It. Click on Download. Once your image is downloaded, you can upload these mockup photos to your listing. This is how you can make money by selling customized products on your Etsy store. This unique idea is trending, and many people are earning money from it. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If today's insights on side hustles and passive income sparked your interest, then you're in for a treat. Right on your screen is our next video, and it's a goldmine of information on how to 10x your online earnings. I've got a feeling you're going to love it. Go ahead, click, and enjoy.